Millions of Nigeria dey japa comot for Nigeria every day because of hunger and hardship wey dey for Nigeria. As e be like this now, everybody don japa. Now I come dey ask, na who go come dey there dey do the one Nigerians? As we dey talk now, they say the northern Nigeria is fully ready to leave Nigeria and have their own country. They say that the elders of Yoruba and other cabals don call Tinubu to act immediately or see this country split. My people, e don red. As we dey talk right now, Simon Ekpa don bring out his army in the street to protest and the parade. As we dey talk, he say that coming months e go dey hot for inside southeast. Na be the update wey him dey talk. My people, come hear another one wey dey happen now. They say that the pensioners of Nigerians are ready. They say they are going to protest naked in the street of Lagos, Abuja and everywhere. Say hunger don touch them well as the Tinubu government is not paying them the pension money. My people, I want you to watch this video. The moment the pensioners of Nigerians don talk say they go come outside for inside the Lagos street to Abuja, come naked protest for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, make they pay them pension money. Say hunger too much for the country. Just watch the video.
I am going to lead Nigerian pensioners naked. I mean, naked. When we are going to protest, we are going to go naked on the streets to ram down this, so that the world will see the Nigerian pensioners in Nigeria are demonstrating naked. If they like, they will arrest us and say, why do you go naked on the streets? In Nigeria, governments don't think about the poor people. They only think about themselves.
Did you hear that thing? He said they are going to protest, so they no go wear anything for inside road though. He said that in Nigeria, government do not think about the poor people. No, say na only themselves now that they think. Yes, now if they think of you wey be poor person, that means you go get rich like them and nobody go dey answer them or gami, egbami, like the way una dey salute them for inside Yoruba land though. For Igbo land, we will greet you, Chief Ndewo. I will go our way, but for Yoruba land, they go lie down. They say na respect. Now that they give to the elders. So the elders enjoying that thing. They say na culture, but I no want interfere for anybody culture. Na their culture, even the outsiders as well they do am. But as long as Nigeria is concerned with this mentality, we can never go anywhere. However, let us go and look into one of our brother wey dey for Canada. Don't come outside, come cry, say the way things be, even for Olympic wey you watch. He say that most of people wey dey win for other countries, Chidinma, Chukwuemeka, Adesholoye, all of them are Nigerians. What happened to Nigerians that Nigerians don't japa comot for inside the country? I want you to watch the video. The moment we talk this thing, before we come back, enter the main ogbenge news we will get for hand. Don't go anywhere, just stay tuned.
Hi guys, Dr. Zoe here. Happy weekend. Morning from Canada. About to go to work, and this is Friday. I decided to just make a short video before I go for my followers. And my topic today is I cry for Nigeria. I really weep for that country now. I'm telling you, the things that are happening under my things I see now is shocking. You won't believe the number of people that are leaving the country today. Every day I see families. Tons of families in my clinic, they are relocating. They don't want to go back to Nigeria. You open social media, 150,000 people collected UK visa this year. They're not going back. The ones we sent to go to Paris Olympic, so many Nigerians are playing for other countries, happily. Adobe is playing representing Ireland, Tunde is representing Bahrain. This is what you're going to see there. And the worst one is that even the people that came there under the umbrella of Nigeria are negotiating with other countries to japa. If I talk now, say propaganda, Naibo man. I weep for that country. Our leaders don't even see it. Our leaders don't see it. They don't. I don't know whether they have television or they're on social media. They don't see these things that we see. People are disappearing. Your own is to go and collect loan, IMF loan, and buy aeroplane and use 21 billion and build a house for VP. Buy SUVs for politicians. That is your interest. Very soon, there won't be anybody to service that loan. Nigeria, they will go and import people from China will come and buy over the. I'm telling you. But you guys don't see these things. A family came to register me. They recently moved from Nigeria, So many of them come. But the one that touched me is one of them said, say, Oga, if things get better, maybe later on they will move back to Nigeria. I honestly, when he left, tears ran down my eyes. You know why? Because that was exactly what I said 22 years ago when I came to the West. Till today, things are still worse. Nigerians always know how to get it worse. Each time we get it worse. Because honestly, I did not believe there would be anybody worse than Alhaji Buhari. Jagaban enter. Maybe next time, Nanti Ramadan. Brother, it's a pity. All I'm saying is our leaders should see what is happening, the impending doom that is, some people are protesting back home and some of them hoist other countries' flags. Our military will go and harass them. Why are you harassing them? They are acting out. They are telling you how they feel. That is the most important thing for you to get from those messages, not to go and harass those families. They are acting out. They are desperate. They are frustrated. That's why they hoist other countries' flags. Don't blame them. As they say in my place, if a child is crying and pointing at somewhere, if his father is not there, his mother is there. You have to find out the cause of the problem and solve it. The country is disappearing slowly. And to be honest with you, all these families that come here, they won't go back. As I said the same thing 22 years ago. I even made plans. 10 years, I got everything I wanted. I was a specialist. I had foreign passport, everything, houses here and back home. I could not go. I made another attempt 2014. Ebola stopped me. Omo Nasa Day till there. You're not going back. You're losing human resources. You don't see it. Don't even discuss it. That is not an issue at all. You only to go and harass people, small boys and girls that are venting out their anger, their frustration, their valid frustration. You're venting it out on them. Let me tell you what's going to happen. See, it happened in a lot of countries. I see a lot of Ethiopian and Eritrean families that they fought wars and all that. They've come to form families here now. They have communities here. And that is what's going to happen. Nigerians now are buying even other countries' passports to move their families away and move away from Nigeria. Our politicians don't see it. The country is slowly disappearing. If I talk, you say, but you're comfortable in Canada, why are you even putting mouth? My brother, I dey talk, I must be me. Because, so if I say something, as I said, I have a voice on Instagram. If I say something, at least, even if these people are not on social media, somebody that they know, their kids will be there and tell them, this thing you're seeing on the streets of Nigeria is valid. This is how they feel. This is venting out their frustration. They carry other people's flags. It's because they don't know anything else to do. You even bothered about that one. See what they do abroad here. People tear that pally, disappear, go to other countries. Negotiate with all those Middle Eastern countries to play sports for them and get them gold and whatever medal. And deals are going, people are disappearing. That is what you people should see. Don't go and harass little boys that are hopeless on the streets of Nigeria. They're trying to vent out their anger. You're here, bringing out your general and this and that. I don't know. I see it. I say it.
Actually, a lot of things are going on in Nigeria right now, but this is going to be a magic. It's going to be a heavy revolution, and this revolution, the government cannot stop it. Let them know where's their resources. If they know solution to any solution they can do to make everybody happy, let them do it. But as them to stop this revolution that is coming in Nigeria is unstoppable. Even some Nigerians who do not agree, who don't want to destroy our country, sometimes have begun to shame for them. What country you don't want to destroy? A country where you barely eat 3 square meal? The government have destroyed already, enriched themselves? Is a country you are saying, which country you don't want? Do you have a country at the first place? The problem Nigeria have is that some citizens they are thinking like even goat is better than them. I don't even know how to measure their brain. Their brain is so blocked, and those people are the ones who claim they go to school. You go to school and get your brain blocked instead of opening your brain to learn and be civilized for once. You see them talking on social media, you'll be ashamed of yourself. Even calling yourself an Nigerian. The other set of people that I'm so angry of is those Igbos who don't want to see that this country is not for them, and they keep killing themselves, shouting one Nigeria because you get a little opportunity to be a politician. You think that is okay. You are now okay. You have arrived. That are the most useless people I ever see, starting from the governors, because we cannot continue like this. Yes, I am one of the person that Nigeria killed my dream. Do you think it's easy for those people surviving out there? For example, let us look this thing that's happening to this our sister that have two origin, South Africa and Nigeria father. It's exactly what most of us are facing. That position where you want to get, that thing that is your dream, you carry to go to another man's country, it will be very hard for you to achieve it. Not 80% that has their goals, that this is what they want to do when they get there. Do you know that, let me say 50% are cleaner does even the job they cannot even do in Nigeria is what they are doing because the money is okay for them. And these useless people will be ranting around on social media talking nonsense because you find yourself in abroad, especially those ones in abroad now. You see what people are suffering over there. Ayakade, don't go and protest again, oh, don't do this, oh, don't do that one, oh, this one, oh, they leave them, oh, the country is good. When the country is going to good? Never. What is the solution? We have said it here since 2 years ago that the solution is rentable. Share that national care people are sharing to yourself. Now is a what are they calling it? Tribal share. Share it. Let everybody go think. Because I know that if now, for example, somebody from Anambra is our president, and I am in Imo State suffering, we will go to Anambra and ask him, Oga, what did they do for her? You're not working for us, so you have to do something. You understand? You have to do something. But when somebody from Igbo want to ask Tinubu, Oga, this your good, they say, hey, na Igbo, you want to spoil Tinubu government, oh, if Hausa is there and Igbo want to ask question, hey, no put mato, go back to your state, oh. But if we have our own country and somebody from Imo State is doing nonsense being the president, we will hold him accountable without him telling us that you are not from here, we are not from here. That is the benefit of when you have your own country. This Igbo, the Igbo politicians wake up and drop this stupid mentality and work for legacy. Work for legacy. Leave a legacy that your children, that my father, like Ojukwu leave a legacy, of course. The generation we still talk about Ojukwu 200 years. Nnamdi Kanu is still on that legacy to today. Generation is going to talk about him in years to come. And so many other people in the front fighting right now, they are leaving a legacy. So you see, everybody is running away from the country they call one Nigeria. And most of those people are running are the people who don't even believe in they can have their own country. They are the ones who is running. Why are you running then? Why are you people running out from Nigeria? If Nigeria is okay, one Nigeria, you love the Nigeria. Nigeria is a business center they have designed for share give Yoruba, share give, just give Igbo people small, give them small, and they give them small. You see them coming out to talk now. IPOB sent a message telling the Igbo leaders, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, Southeast governors, stop using Nnamdi Kanu for your political ambition and for political reasons, Nnamdi Kanu is not in the same category with you people. That is what the IPOB sent to Igbo leaders and Igbo governors. Guys, please share this video and make sure say they follow us for more updates as it dey hot. Guys, share this video as it dey hot and make sure say you dey follow our channel. So na so e be o, and I will say mo bring am come give una. The people you just watch are Biafra Liberation Armies, so they are set to march coming months to stop the Nigeria army and police from doing anything in Biafra land, according to what Simon Ekpa said. Share and leave your own thoughts in comment section as it dey hot.